laps the distance. $500 to win. Tony Johnson, Earl Brooks Jr. will lead him down the backstretch. They'll bunch him up coming off of turn 4 right there at that green flag. Check, Hunter waves, and we're going green flag racing. Tony Johnson gets off to a great jump. Now Adam Breeden will look to the inside of the 25 of Dylan Thompson. Dylan in his first year of racing, taking over that ride from his father, Bobby Thompson. As now Dylan will move back 2 spots as your fastest qualifier, Adam Breeden, has jumped up to 3rd. Keith Herring now up to 4th. Lap number 1 led by the 32 of Tony Johnson, but watch, here comes the 01 of Adam Breeden. As he will look to the inside of Earl Brooks as they go into turn 3. Earl will shut the door on Adam. Lap number 2 led by the 32 of Tony Johnson. 2 laps now in the books. 18 to go. A great battle right there for 2nd, 3rd, and 4th between Brooks, Breeden, and Herring. Adam now will move to the top side as he works his way around the 97. Earl, the seasoned veteran, will still maintain that 2nd spot, and as now Tony Johnson has jumped out to about a 5-car length lead over the field. 3 laps are in the books now. Adam will poke his nose down to the inside once again on the 97. Can't quite make the move, but he's got a good run off of turn 4. As now he'll pull up to the inside as they'll look to make the pass coming off of turn 2 right there. Earl Brooks, stubborn as he can be, as he still holds on to 2nd spot. Five laps now in the books as Tony Johnson has led all 5. Adam Breeden in a tight battle right there for 2nd as Earl Brooks maintaining his line and holding on. Adam on the very bottom of the speedway now, coming off of turn 4. Looking to get that run to make that pass and catch up to the 32 of Tony Johnson. Keith Herring now still in 4th, but Dylan now pressuring him for the 4th spot. Tony Breeden sits in 6th. George Pierce, James Newton, and Scott Cyrus round out your field. As now Keith Herring works underneath the 25 of Dylan Thompson. Tony Johnson now has opened up to about a 8-car length lead. Right now, Tony is the fastest. Oh, as Dylan Thompson gets squirrely coming off of turn 4, he's going to lose about 2 positions right there. He gets it straightened back up. We stay green flag racing. 8 laps are in the books as Tony Johnson now's lead has been cut by the 0-1 of Adam Breeden. Adam Breeden on that last lap was the fastest car on the racetrack. So he's closing the distance on the 32. Halfway this time by, halfway. 10 laps are now in the books. Tony Johnson has led all 10, but the 0-1 of Adam Breeden is now cut it down to a 2-car length lead. Earl Brooks still in 3rd, Keith Herring 4th, and Tony Breeden in 5th. And smoke now underneath the 32, and we got caution on the speedway as your leader is up in smoke. Coming off of turn 4, as you can see, smoke coming out from the tailpipe. Not sure if he knows that or not. I believe there might be some debris off of turn 2 as the track official will clean that up. But trouble right now for your leader. Doesn't seem to be any fluids leaking. All right, we got 10 laps in the books, 10 laps to go, $500 to the winner. Can Adam Breeden hang on? As they come off of turn 4, we're back to green flag racing. Great restart right there by the 0-1 of Adam Breeden. Keith Herring now will look to the inside of the 97 of Earl Brooks. As now as Dylan Thompson goes to the top of the racetrack as he tries to get a run on the 101 of Tony Breeden. He'll close the distance as they'll go to the top now. Dylan Thompson running that top side. As now he'll cross Tony Breeden over, try to get a run down the backstretch. He'll get off of it just a little bit. Duck back in line, but right now the laps are winding down for your leader, Adam Breeden. Now 12 laps in the books, 8 laps to go. Oh, we got caution as Dylan Thompson has spun out right in front of the 47 of George Pierce. Nice job right there by George to avoid making contact. Dylan will get it squared back around. All right, we're about to go back to green flag racing as Adam Breeden still your leader. 12 laps in the books, 8 laps to go. Adam gets off to a good start off of turn 4. Green flag waves. We're back to green flag racing in our street stock division. Adam seems to be the car to beat tonight as he will pull away to about a 4-car length lead right now as they coming off of turn 3 and 4. Keith Herring works to the inside of Earl Brooks Jr. Cannot make the pass. He'll dive back in line as now 13 laps are in the books. Adam extending that lead out each and every time he goes down the straightaways. And Dylan has spun again off of turn 4, and that's going to draw the caution flag out one more time. As Adam Breeden was starting to pull away from the field, almost to a straightaway lead. All right, they'll bunch him back up. Adam will bring him down off of turn 4 and back to the green flag. 14 laps are in the book, 6 to go. This time by our flagman Chad Connor will wave the 5 fingers at him. Let them know 5 laps to go. 5 laps to go here in this street stock first feature tonight here at the second annual Tommy Bear Memorial, night number 1. $500 is on the line for this street stock feature. As Adam Breeden now will pull out to a huge lead. As he'll dive into turn 3. Adam has been on and off with us here at Natural Bridge Speedway for the last few years. Was a regular this year up at the Virginia Motor Speedway with him and his father, who sits right now 4th. As he'll work the bottom of the racetrack as he has a nice commanding lead. Almost a 2-second lead right now. 2.5-second lead over second place, Earl Brooks Jr. 17 laps now in the books. As they'll come to the cross sticks right here. 2 laps, 2 to go. 2 to go for your leader, Adam Breeden. Adam Breeden will come off of turn 4 this time. He'll see the white flag. He'll make one more trip around the 3/8 mile over here at Natural Bridge Speedway for the first feature tonight. If he's got someone down in the infield, they probably let him know he can coast probably and still win this race. As he's coming out of turn 3 and 4, the checker flag will wave for your winner in the 0-1, Adam Breeden. Finishing second is the 97 machine of Earl Brooks Jr. 3rd, Keith Herring. 4th, Tony Breeden. 5th was Dylan Thompson. 6th, the 47 of George Pierce. And James Newton rounds out the field in 7th. All right, so Adam, Earl Brooks, and Keith Herring will all make their way to the scales. If Adam gets the thumbs up off the scales, he will make the hard right turn down the front stretch here to collect the victory lane flag. All right, right here on the front stretch, we got late model competitor Mark Painter. He's got the cooler full of ice cream and popsicles. Be sure to take the kids down there and visit him and get the kids some nice treats as we get our sportsman cars out here. we await our winner, Adam Breeden, to make his way to the scales. Congratulations to him on the victory. He will be collecting $500 tonight as he wins the street stock feature in the second annual Tommy Bear Memorial Race. This was a home track rules race invitation for these drivers. Adam is a regular at the Virginia Motor Speedway, but no stranger here to Natural Bridge Speedway or Victory Lane. And he is given directions on how to get to the new Victory Lane here at Natural Bridge Speedway. And that's where I will make my way